Alright, today in the Rusted Nuts garage, we're going to be putting snow tires on the Kia Rio. We're probably saving about 80 bucks because last year when we got the snow tires put on, they charged us 80, 85 bucks to do it. And it was literally just mounting the rims onto the car and putting our spare tires into storage. So I'll show you all the tools and the proper specifications for putting the snow tires on the car and torquing up the wheels. Alright, so when the mechanics usually take these off, they generally mark on the sidewall which tire it came off of, but these are also rotational, so note the rotation before you put them on your car, and make sure they're going arrow to the front of the vehicle. So I'll put these on and torque them up. The Kia tech spec is 65 to 79 foot-pounds of torque, so I'm going to go around the 73 range. I wouldn't suggest using impact on this at all, but if you do, I would use one of these not very good impact guns. That way it doesn't break any of your studs off, and make sure you get a good amount of thread in the bolt, that way you don't cross thread a bolt and strip it. And then tighten them in a crisscross pattern. You'll hear, mostly with most torque wrenches, you hear a click when you get to the desired foot poundage. On to the next wheel.